pop star royalty just landed in Fortnite, and it's Sabrina Carpenter stealing the spotlight as Season 8's festival icon. Wanna know why this collab is breaking the internet? Stick around because Sabrina's bringing the beats, the skins, and the ultimate Fortnite glow-up. What's good, squad? Welcome back to GadInsider. Fortnite Festival Season 8 just kicked off with a bang. Sabrina Carpenter, yes, the espresso queen herself, is the headliner, and she's serving looks and jams that have players buzzing. Let's dive into why this is the collab you can't sleep on. So, what's Sabrina bringing to the Fortnite party? First, she's got two iconic skins. The Music Pass unlocks her yellow baby doll dress straight from her Short and Sweet tour, and a Lego-style version for that blocky vibe. Grind those XP levels and you snag a sparkly bodysuit variant too. Want more? The item shop's got her tour-ready fit. Think pink skirt, boots, and a baby blue alt style for 1,500 V-Bucks. And it's not just about the drip. Sabrina's dropping bangers like Juno and Nonsense as jam tracks in the Music Pass, plus Espresso, Feather, and Please 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 in the shop. You can shred these hits with new SC electric and sparkly guitars, or vibe out with her mic-themed back bling. Epic's calling it her Short and Sweet takeover, and it's pure fire. Why is this a big deal? Sabrina's not just a pop star, she's a Fortnite legend now. Posts on X are going wild, with fans saying her skins are shockingly accurate, short, sweet, and ready to slay. Sources are even hyping Gemini Live's upgrades, but Sabrina's stealing the show. She's following icons like Billie Eilish and Metallica, but with her Gen Z flair, she's got a fresh edge. Picture this, you're dropping into Battle Royale as Sabrina, jamming taste while sniping foes. It's next level. At 1,400 V-Bucks, the Music Pass is a steal for all this exclusive loot, and it's live till June 17th. This is Sabrina shining brighter than ever. Alright, let's hear from you. What's your dream Sabrina moment in Fortnite? Busting her taste in mode after a win? Rocking her guitar in festival? Drop your hottest takes in the comments. I'm reading every one. And if Sabrina's got you hyped, smash that like button. Let's get her to Victory Royale status. That's Sabrina Carpenter owning Fortnite Festival Season 8, fam. Jump in now and grab her Music Pass before it's gone.